new to my channel, hey girl, hi, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways you can style your head wrap. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved like this bulk thing and also the measurement of this scarf at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that and we'll go right straight into the video. Okay.
Imagine sun shining, pink clouds in the sky, and everything is right. Imagine stars lighting up the night, and a shooting star so vibrant, you have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Nothing but blue skies, a totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days, it could be the best of times. What do we need the troubles? Why? What do we need the troubles? Why? Nothing's ever in your way, scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain, because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Oh, like you wanted to, like you wanted to, like 24/7, like 24/24 heaven. Instead I'm thinking of strangers, I'm thinking of haters, I'm thinking of laying down for a nap right here on the pavement. I'm thinking of payday, worried I won't make it. First I think of a delicate thing and then of a break it. I'm thinking of habits, yeah, all of the bad bits. Wish there was a secret map to the good parts and I could have it. But mama says bad days are necessary. The only way to notice a good day, and I guess it makes sense what she said. But I'm hoping for good days. Mama says bad days are necessary, but I'm hoping for good. I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's #1, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me, and I wish somebody would've, it should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of confidence club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't know, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. When that baggage is heavy, baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
You can't tell me a damn thing. I'm lost, at least it's a daydream. I turned into a hole. My dance don't stop, stop till my legs weak. My heart is beating like crazy, does it all to a tune of its own.
Hi everyone, so I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, but I just wanted to come in and show you guys how to achieve this, because I've always been curious, and I've also uploaded videos similar to this but not with this thing here. So I'm going to give you guys the description, the length of the scarf, and also this thing I used. So I have my tape thingy, is it tape measure or whatever they call it? Anyways, I have this tape. It has like centimeters and inches on each side. This is the scarf, so I'm going to use the centimeters because I think centimeters is more universal to, you know, everyone. The width, I believe this is the width. The short part is, I don't know if you can see that, it's 66 centimeters. And then for the length is 114 centimeters, or 114 by 66 centimeters. That's the measurement of this scarf. For the front area, I used this. I'm not proud of it. It's from, you know, one of those shopping bags. The top part, I opened it up and I found this. I'm like, yeah. But if you do not have any shopping bag, you can use a carton, you can use thick paper, I don't know, just use something. Be creative, okay? I'm being creative right now, so you guys should be creative as well. Alright, so I've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to share it with your friends, your sisters. Eid is coming soon. I'm pretty sure most of my Muslim friends are still fasting right now, and it's Ramadan, and I mean, this can be your Eid style. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
A lie like free when I